What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com and looking at 2010 Yamaha Vstar 650. Guys, this bike's in pretty good condition. A couple things to look at when you get these bikes is, do they have good tread on the tires? This bike's got killer tread on the tires. It's got a couple little scratches back here. This is usually going to be someone's like first or second motorcycle, and so getting good tread on the tires, make sure it runs good. Those are the key things to getting these. I hate these bags. Looks like they're kind of tearing old. No, they're not. Just look horrible. I would take them off if I were you. I'll leave them on there because some people love them. It's got a little scuff right there. I can probably get that out with some buffing wax. It's all in pretty good shape, guys. I mean, you saw that scuff on the back. Got a couple little scuffs up here. A couple little chips in the paint. Chipping the paint right there. Chipping the paint right there. Chipping the paint right there. Not a gigantic deal. Tons of tread left on the front of your tire, which is amazing. That's what you're really looking for when you get a bike like this. You're not going to keep it for that long, so just getting through one or two seasons of riding with it with good tread, you don't have to replace anything. That's always something key to look for. Bags are in decent shape. Seats aren't all torn up. Top of the tank's in good shape. It's only got 6,800 miles on it, guys. It runs really well, actually. Like I said, 2010 Yamaha Vstar 650. It's got some little, scratches here and there, a couple little paint chips, but it runs really good. It's got good tread on the tires. Those are the key components you're looking at when you get a bike like this. Thanks a ton for watching, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in.